In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new disk partition in Windows 11. Whether you're organizing your space better, preparing a separate area for work or personal files, or just want to practice good data management, creating a new partition is a straightforward and effective way to begin. Let's dive right in. To start, right-click on the Start button in the lower left corner of your screen. This action will open a context menu with a variety of administrative tools and features. From this menu, one important option we need is Disk Management. Go ahead and select Disk Management from this list. This tool is integral for managing storage devices, and it allows us to view all current partitions and make changes as needed. Next, you'll see a list of your volumes and the space allocated to each. Identify the volume you want to shrink. Right-click on that specific volume. This will open a submenu where you need to select Shrink Volume. This step essentially means you're taking some unused space from this existing partition and freeing it up so that a new partition can be created. After selecting Shrink Volume, you will be prompted to enter the amount of space you want to shrink in megabytes. Be sure to calculate the space you want wisely, considering your needs and the remaining space you'll leave on the existing partition. Enter the amount that suits your requirements. Once you're ready and have entered the desired amount, click on the Shrink button to execute the change. At this point, the space you've freed up will show in the Disk Management window as unallocated space. This unallocated space is where we will create our new partition. To proceed, right-click on this area labeled as Unallocated Space to reveal another menu, and then select New Simple Volume. This will launch the new Simple Volume Wizard, a helpful guide that will take you through the necessary configuration steps, such as assigning a drive letter and formatting the volume. Just follow the prompts, carefully reviewing each option to fit your needs. After going through the wizard steps, click Finish to complete the process. You now have a brand new partition ready for use. It should be visible and accessible in your File Explorer along with your other drives. Remember, managing disk partitions can greatly impact the efficiency and organization of your PC's storage. Congratulations on taking this small but significant step towards better data management in Windows 11. As always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to seek additional resources or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy computing!